Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Albert. This is Albert's Easy Gourmet Kitchen. Now today I have got a really delicious treat for you. We're going to be making the ultimate chocolate chip cookie. This recipe. It's a great recipe for summertime. A lot of parents are together with their kids, and this is a wonderful way to introduce your child to the kitchen and to cooking. So please be sure to make this with your kids or with your friends or with anybody whom you love and you want to share these cookies with. Here's what you're going to need if you want to make this recipe. Now in a medium bowl, you're going to want to mix all of your dry ingredients. I like to use two different kinds of flour for the recipe. I use all-purpose flour and I also use bread flour. What this is going to do is that it's going to make your cookie much more tender than if you just used all-purpose flour. Let's add the rest of the dry ingredients. That's your baking soda and your salt. In a medium saucepan, go ahead and start melting your butter. Now we're not just going to melt it, we're actually going to brown our butter. By browning the butter, you're going to develop this nice nutty flavor that's going to enhance your cookies. Now let's pour your browned butter into your measuring cup. Now it's really important that you set your butter aside and you let it come down to room temperature. If you don't do this, you run the risk of having your cookies turn out a bit oily. In your stand mixer, go ahead and put your brown sugar, your white sugar, and add your brown butter. Now you're going to cream your sugar and your butter together until it's nice and fluffy. Now to your butter, go ahead and add your vanilla and your espresso. Now when adding your eggs, it's really important that you crack them into a separate bowl. That way you don't run the risk of getting any shells in your mixture. Now let's put in the dry ingredients. You want to make sure that you sift your flours together and your baking soda and your salt so that you get a nice distribution of all of your ingredients. Let it mix together, and once it's all incorporated, it doesn't have to be completely incorporated. It's okay if you see a little bit of that flour left over, because when you mix in the chocolate chips, you're going to actually continue mixing it and you won't overmix your batter. Alright, now, and for the best part of a chocolate chip cookie, the actual chocolate. I like to use three different types of chocolate. I use milk chocolate, semi-sweet chocolate morsels, and I also like to take a dark chocolate and just cut it up into chunks and throw it in there. That really brings this cookie over to the next level. Go ahead and mix your chocolate into your batter, and then we're going to set the batter aside. Let it rest a few hours, maybe 2-3 hours if possible. If you have overnight, that's even better. But some of us cannot wait. I won't mention any names. So you can go ahead and make your cookie right away, but it will taste better if you give it time to rest and to chill. Now using a cookie scooper, you want to go ahead and scoop out your dough and plop it right onto your parchment paper. Remember that your oven is at 350 degrees, and you should be able to make about 18 cookies out of this recipe. Now all you have to do is bake your cookies. So go ahead and let's put them into a preheated 350 degree oven for about 12 minutes. Don't go over 12 minutes because it's always good to have a little bit of an underbaked cookie. It leaves it moist and chewy and really, really good. Alright guys, once you take your cookies out of the oven, they're going to sit and rest and continue baking on the sheet. Give it about 2 or 3 minutes. And then you can go ahead and move your cookies from your cookie sheet over to a cooling rack so that the cookies can cool evenly. There you go. I hope you love them. I absolutely do. Here they are. They are so unbelievably delicious. Look at that. They're absolutely wonderful. I'm gonna go ahead and try one of these. Oh my God. If these are not the best chocolate chip cookies you have ever tried, then please send me your recipe. I'll make that one. Because this is sinful. This is, oh my God. Okay, I'm gonna stop. I hope you enjoyed this episode. Please give it a thumbs up. Remember to come back and check in with all our other recipes. And I hope you're having a great time making these. All right, I'm Albert. This is Albert's Easy Gourmet Kitchen. Have a great day. Remember to eat healthy and live healthy. Bye. Oh my God. Oh my God.